Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can send a disappearing message on Signal. So what you want to do is when you're going to be on Signal, you just want to simply click on the chat, and right here you want to go to the top right corner to the three dots, and then you're going to see here disappearing messages. And now you have options to go, your messages will not expire, and for how long you want to disappear it. So messages sent and received in this conversation will disappear in 10 seconds or like 5 minutes. So okay, right now you can see there is like under the name of the group, there is 5 minutes and 1, 2, 3, and voila, it's going to be in 5 minutes gone. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions guys, ask me down in the comments. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.